What's up everyone? Today I am so excited because we're going to be making a special treat. Also with a special guest, my friend Abby. That's my name. And anyways, we're going to be making Brookies.
AKA brownie cookies. Let's get started.
In a small bowl, we're going to add butter.
Chocolate chips. Now let's melt it in the microwave.
Now that it's out of the microwave, let's stir it up.
Under the sun.
Stir better than me.
And now let's put it back in the microwave so it can get more melted down.
Now it's all melted and stirred. Let's go to the big bowl.
I forgot to mention, make sure you preheat your oven to 350 degrees. So now in here, let's add 2 eggs.
Now we're gonna put in sugar. Brown sugar.
Now let's whisk it until it's nice and light and fluffy.
Now let's pour in our chocolate mixture. Whisk it until it's all combined. It should look something like this.
Oops, I forgot vanilla.
Now let's go to our dry ingredients.
Now let's sift in
Flour,
cocoa powder.
baking powder,
Now time to sift it in.
time to fold in.
Oh, we forgot some chocolate chips, you know?
So now that we have our pan all ready,
We're going to put the dough on it. Okay, so now let's bake it.
wait, intermission. We have some shout outs.
In fact, we do, Abby. We have a shout out to Abby and her friend. They're gonna be doing a YouTube channel called
Monkey Gang.
So I'll tell you in the next video when they post it, and yeah. And also we have one more shout out to my friend Cage. He has a YouTube channel called Cage's Countdown. So go check it out right here.
Yes, I'll come back to you. No, I won't ask where you.
Okay, back to cookies. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, there you are. Okay, now let's take the cookies out.
What?
Then I'll ask what have we done.
Now let's transfer it to a cooling rack so they can cool it down. So, you might think that Abby looks a little familiar. Well, you are correct. She was in the banana bread video. I would like to give a shout out to Abby for giving me this cookbook. We're gonna give a shout out to her because she gave me the cookbook. So, thank you so much. Okay, so since that it is almost Valentine's Day, we decided just to do a little pink glaze on it to get a little Valentine's vibes. So we're just gonna do a simple glaze. It's just powdered sugar, milk, and food coloring.
All the pillars that stack and hold up the sun.
All right, this is good consistency, not too thick and not too thin. So now let's pour onto our cookies.
This is the finished product.
Okay, so now all we have to do, taste test. Really good. So good. Alright, I think that is a wrap for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash the notifications so you know whenever I post a new video.
I'm gonna eat
And
this.
don't forget to check out Cage's channel. And recipe is in the description box below. So go there if you want to make it. Bye.